If you are using a Windows 7, installing a fresh Windows 7, then what issue you will face? First and foremost, you can check I am not going to update because I am also using the Windows 7 freshly installed. So as you know that Windows Microsoft stopped providing the support for the Windows 7. So in that case you will not able to update your you will not able to get any update from the Windows, even necessary update as well, because Microsoft stopped providing the support for the Windows 7. Apart from that, apart from that, you will also face issues like you can say, you can see this is the browser, and in the browser I'm sometimes I'm getting some issues like suppose if I will use the Stack Overflow. Let's see, Stack Overflow. Then you will notice that here HTTPS, okay, HTTPS is not working. There is some certificate issue. If I will click here and if I will go to the certificate, if I will click here to visit the certificate, you can notice that the certificate has expired or is not yet valid. So this issues is you may get, however valid from you will, if you will notice, then you will get 2/3 2022 and 5/4 2022. Okay, but still you will not get it even if the date and time of your system is correct. So this type of issue you can get. uh, okay, if I will use if I will use the another software for the browsing, suppose it's okay. So I hope you were able to get it. Okay, for the another browser like Mozilla Firefox, I didn't face this type of issues, the certification issues. Thank you for subscribing the YouTube channel. Have a nice day.